Day trading this morning, had my best day of the month so far. Little caution for everybody out there. When you normally have a good day, when you have a big green day, that's normally followed by like a big red day. So we're going to focus on not having a red day tomorrow, but in general, we're going to just stay consistent. We're going to keep the ego low. We had a good day in the market. I'm going to show you guys my trades. We had a really kind of a very interesting kind of red to green move today in the SPY, and I'm going to break it down, show you guys the trade, show you the profits and all that fun stuff, talking about why I'm entering, talking about why I'm exiting, and the overall game plan, the emotional battle as well. Talking about it right here in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. All right, so we're starting out this morning. It's currently 4 o'clock here in Hawaii. Made a trade right at the open. Had a nice little short. I'm up $97 so far. So let's see if we can add on to that profit. Right now, we look like we want to kind of push back up here some more. The market's kind of, I feel like, really oversold at this point. So kind of watching this 57 level. If we break out over that 57, look to jump in for a push up there above 60. So pushing up right there. See if we can get filled. Getting filled. See if we can push up there to the 60s now. Putting my stop down there at the 56s. Be the bottom of this candle here. Is it just me or am I kind of bright? Having a little bit of trouble here. Take one as we kind of push up. There we go. 59, 25 there. See if we can push a little higher. I was hoping for a quicker squeeze up there to the 60s, but we'll take a little bit of profit here. Just as this is kind of slowing down there at the 59s already. You can see on the SPY right now where that VWAP's at. We sold off below the VWAP. We held below the VWAP. Now we pushed back up here above the VWAP. So really kind of seeing, does this want to hold that 415.20 area now? 415.20, 415.10. Right now holding the VWAP there on the SPY. So this 5-minute candle is about to close. Kind of thinking this could turn into a short here if we lose this 56 level. Kind of lose this level and make a new low. Problem is we're still above the VWAP here on the SPY right now. So seeing that we reclaim the VWAP there leads me to feel that this could start to recover at this point. So we'll give it a second. I don't think there's really any rush to jump in right now either way. Holding the VWAP there, and we kind of broke through the VWAP on the SPY. Now we're kind of pushing back up. We'll see what happens here. If it's going to go, it's got to go right here. It's got to go right here, right now. Right here, right now, people. Right here, right now. Taking a little bit of profit as it sells off here, just to lock it down. Just in case this wants to squeeze back up here. We got 2 contracts left. Let those ride here. Right above that break-even point. And see if this can't get below 54s. Bounce off the 415 area here on the SPY right now. Kind of looking reversally here. Putting break-even. Okay, so we're out there. Made a little profit. Didn't really get the sell-off we're looking for. I think we're just kind of like right now at the VWAP area. That's what I was kind of worried about. You can see right now, just at that VWAP, got the EMAs, got the VWAP, adding as support, and then also this big green candle here. This is a green candle; it's not white, but this big donkey candle right here kind of also is a little scary too. Market to make up its mind here. I think we're just at like right in the middle of this action here, so it's kind of a flip a coin at this point. You know, if it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up. If it's gonna go down, it's gonna go down. It's not really nothing really telling me right now that it's like I really should be getting in here. I think if we push above maybe this 57, 58 level, maybe gonna push back up here. So kind of watching that right now. This VWAP is holding as support, so if we get that, we'll see if we can get that push up. Starting to push up right here. Jumping there at 57. I think we can squeeze up here. Push up there to the 58 level now. Looking for a continuation. Get above 58. Wasn't in love with that bounce back or that break over 57, 58 area. Kind of, you can see it's already kind of just really not going. Kind of slowing down. just grinding right now. So hard to trade these. Hard to trade when it's just like grinding right here. You can see 58's just grinding right there. That's just makes it difficult. Makes it very difficult to kind of trade those breakouts when you're not really getting the breakout. Looks like we'll make it stopped out here, break even on that last contract. Let's see. Come on, 60s. Let's get to $200 today. $200. I don't really want to put it as a goal, but I wouldn't be mad about it. So pushing 59 now. So like I said earlier, that VWAP, reclaiming the VWAP there at the 415 area, that was pretty bullish. So that's why we kind of got out of that one short and then really started looking for that long opportunity, but just not getting that pop we were looking for. There's kind of the pop we wanted from the 56s up there to the 60s now. So kind of funny too, because look, we got that little kind of sell-off candle, that doji candle there, and then right after that, we just squeezed right back up there. So wow, look at that freaking boner candle there. That's what we were looking for earlier when we were trying to get that breakout here. It's just going straight to the moon right now. The SPY going, literally, look how perfect that bounced off the VWAP there. Reclaimed the VWAP, pulled back the VWAP, and then went off to the moon. So that VWAP, it's a powerful, powerful thing. So looking for that pullback down here to the 58, 59 level, I think would be a good entry at that point. But it might just keep going straight to the moon. It might. You never know. Showing a lot of strength right there. So we'll see if we can get a push up. See if we get a breakout here. Not loving this setup, this trade here. So trying to just scale out right above break even. Take some of the size off in case it does pull back here. Got a bull flag here on the SPY on the 5 minutes. So see if we can't break out here. Get above 416 on the SPY. Give it a second here to see if we can break 416 on the SPY. You can see right now 416 trying to push up there. Moving my stop on this to like right there. It's either got to go or it's not. It's going to go or it's not going to go. Famous last words. See if we can push over 63.50 for the breakout here. If we get the breakout here, I think we can get a nice little squeeze up. But can it happen? There we go. A little squeezy Rudy. Trying to just take some off up here in case this doesn't want to break 416. We got 2 contracts left. We'll see if we can break through this 416 on the SPY right now. Trying to push up there. There we go. Over 416 now on the SPY. Got a lot of resistance coming up as well here. So let's see what happens. Earlier today, kind of topping out at this level here, the 66.20 area. So we'll see. We'll let that last contract ride a little bit here. See if we can't push up and get another $10, $20 onto our profit today. All right, so we're out of it. And we locked it down. $200 on the day. That was our, I wouldn't say our goal, but we said earlier, we're like, if we could have a $200 day, that'd be a really nice day for me trading the MES. So you got to remember, the MES are basically, 1/10 the size of the ES. So I'm not saying that I would make $2,000 if I was trading the ES today, but if I was trading the ES today, I would make $2,000. So I don't know. That's one way to look at it. People keep asking me why I'm trading the MES, and really it comes down to just building up that consistency. I'm just trying to get very consistent here in terms of being able to, handle my losses, take profits, and all of that stuff. And then, at the end of the day, the risk to reward for these trades, obviously, I want more reward. But the thing is, if I enter a trade, even if my, my goal or my target, let's say I enter, here at the 61 area, and my goal is, 65, 66 higher for my target, even if and then once I enter that trade and the market doesn't do what I'm expecting it to do, or it kind of slows down, or it looks a little top heavy, I might just get out early. And obviously that's going to mess with my risk to reward, but also it's about protecting the downside. You see, if I start scaling out early, it's basically because I'm like, maybe I don't like what's happening right now. Like this move here, having that 416 area here, holding it down, that whole dollar there, 416. That's something that I'm looking at. Like, if this can't break above 416 and push above that resistance, then I might want to just start scaling out. Even though I'm not anywhere near my profit target, I'm still able to kind of scale out and protect the downside, protect myself from downside. And like you can see right now, it's pulling back. This could drop pretty quickly down to the 58. So you gotta kind of just have a feeling, I guess. If the market's not making the move, if it's not doing it kind of like right away, like you saw earlier when we had that trouble there, the next candle, it went from 57 up to 61. So that was kind of what we were looking for. We just kind of were a little early there. So there it is, locking it down, $201 after commissions and fees, probably around $150, maybe 160, maybe, I'd say 160, 150 bucks. So not a bad day, not a bad day at all. So I'll talk to you guys later on. If you haven't already, do me one favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and all the buttons down below. Peace. There it goes. Now it's pushing 65s.